Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will continue our lesson number 12, which is Hitchhiking Across the Sahara. Before starting the list of Christopher's adventures through the Sahara Desert, we must know what do you mean by hitchhiking. Hitchhiking means to travel by getting lifts from passing vehicles. His first adventure across the Sahara Desert from Bosada to Timbuktu. His journey across the Sahara Desert can be divided into 7 parts. From Bosada to Gardaya, from Gardaya to El Golia, from El Golia to Insala, from Insala to Tamanrasset, from Tamanrasset to the land of thirst and death, from the land of thirst and death to Kidal, from Kidal to Timbuktu. From Bosada to Gardaya. Bosada was a little town in Algiers. It is called the port of the Sahara, for the desert actually begins here. First means of transport and co-passengers. In an old truck that moved at 32 kilometers per hour or 20 miles per hour, with a driver and a greaser. The problem he faced, the truck was moving slowly and it was growing steadily hot. It was too suffocated in driver's cabin with 3 people in there. Second means of transport and co-passengers in a weapon carrier with a lieutenant. The problem he faced, at first the lieutenant did not allow him as he was a civilian. He showed the permission letter from the War Ministry which allowed him to visit French Foreign Legion for the completion of his article. He was allowed to travel and was dropped off at Gardaya. Luckily, the lieutenant did not see the cancellation stamp on the reverse side of the letter. From Gardaya to El Golia. Gardaya was a typical desert city. He stayed there hardly for a day. Everything was infested with flies. He had to take great care while eating. He could not describe the kids there, for their faces were all covered in flies. Means of transport and co-passengers in a new and powerful truck which carried all goods from pins and needles to machine parts. The truck weighed 10 tons with a driver named Hantout who had great skill. The problem he faced on the way to El Golia, at some parts the soil was so soft that the wheels got stuck into the soil. They used 10-foot steel strips to make runway for the truck.